So you jumped into another online deal with hopes of really hitting a home run, until you discovered the only way to make this happen is to recruit others, and they have to do the same before either of you can recoup your initial investment. Not again! You scream to the top of your lungs. So then you call up your best friend and your brother to once again see if they are looking to work from home, and if not, you find yourself begging for their help just one more time to join your deal as a favor to you. Wow! Is there anything out there online that can make you money without recruiting anyone? You shout? Yes! I found that thing, and so have many others, even grandmas. If grandmas can do this easily, then you know it has to be simple. If you are tired of asking your friends and family for help, if you are fed up with recruiting and all, this simple online venture will be perfect for you. People are having immediate success with this. Quick results are what the average person is looking for. That is what this simple program offers, quick results. And you can get paid up to 5 times in a single week. Now, who doesn't find that appealing? Here are my own results after starting just a few short weeks ago. If you want easy and quick results, don't wait any longer. Go to www.winningonlinetoday.com. That's www.winningonlinetoday.com. Get all the details and get started. If grandma says it's easy, then it's easy. No more recruiting games, no more nightmares. Go get started. See for yourself.